So for the 2F weld, I want the metal to be held perpendicular to the table, giving me a right angle to weld. This is horizontal, that's vertical. I'm going to fill this edge. The 1F, you're allowed to have the metal tilted, giving you a valley to weld in. 2F has got to be horizontal and vertical. But it's not going to stay where I want it. Get some scrap metal again and kind of tack weld this in that position. So I'm horizontal and I'm vertical. So light tack, make sure I'm level. I'm going to kind of focus my weld, try to get equal weld on this vertical piece and the flat piece. The vertical piece and the flat piece. And keeping that gun angle nice and aggressive, keeping the nozzle in there low, and I'm just going to watch that path as I create it, equal legs. Bust that tack weld loose. There it goes. Looking for a nice even face, toes dug in, equal legs. That's the 2F weld.